And say, go Buckeyes. And say thank you to your cousins for this wonderful cheerleading outfit you've got on. There it is. Yeah. You're excited, aren't you? You got anything to say? Yeah? Come on, say something. Bless you. Bless you. You got a big sneeze? Huh? You got a big sneeze? Yeah. You're a mover, huh? Look how long you are. Look how long you are. Alright. Say goodbye. You waving? You waving? Alright. Give me one last OH. Can you say I-O? Maybe next time. That was a good try though.